I was gonna quit, but then I found the solution, at least a solution, to reduce the mess that is this code. Check it out. Since here we validate everything, we just call it in, right? I don't need to write all of this BS. All I need to do is call the function, and in this function have it say, have it not be bool, have it be void instead. And if they win, what do I have? Congratulations to player. I'm gonna write this. Congratulations to player plus A. And this is just gonna do what I've been doing up here. And eventually we'll change this to like a scene change so that it goes to the win screen if you want. But now it's actually gonna do something that makes sense and not have all of this grossness. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna let you sit through it, but this is basically my solution to removing everything that bothers me about the code. Well, removing some of what bothers me about this code. It's not the cleanest code I've seen, but it works, you know. If it works, that's what I care about. So this is it. Delete everything, and then it's just back to the 8 lines I had originally, which I couldn't think of. I don't know why, but I couldn't. I think I want to keep, though, however, this if here. If my turn is 9. Oh. No, I don't want to do that. And I'm not going to have an else because I don't really care for it. It's going to say blah, blah, blah. Okay. And in any other case, I'm just going to call my function. Oops. My function. And it will say, yay, you win, or hey, you don't win. How simple is that? You know how sometimes that's what happens when you program. You just get so carried on that you don't even notice what you're doing anymore. So, recap. Here, what do we do? Pretty much nothing. We haven't done anything. We always validate when turn equals 9. I also check it here. So I'm not sure that I need to check it here. In fact, I'm going to remove it because I validate when every time I save game board, correct? Yes. So I can remove it from there. Something else taken care of. Perfect. Remove the debug text. What? Can be made private. Sounds good to me. I don't use it anymore in the other one. That's correct. And you can update later, son. There we go. There we have it. Woo! I'm happy with this. This works. This is good. So now I can actually say that we're gonna do what I said I was gonna do in the next video for reals, though. And I can also change clothes because I mean, you know, after sitting a week in the same clothes, you kind of just want to take a bath and whatnot, right? Am I right? Okay. Damn, my jokes are so bad. Bye.